Wait lang, hanap muna ako ng phone. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita. Jimrat, Ricky na lang, oh. Ayaw mo pa? Ako i-help? Hala, ang sexy. Hoy, send ka pa. Send ka pa. Send ka pa? Grabe ka naman. Saan kayo? Yung kayo. Yung kayo. Grabe, isa lang. Pinabitin mo naman. Binitin mo naman, oy. Buang ka talaga. Sige, more, 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 more. Grabe ka, Jimrat. More mo pa, oy. More pa ba? More pa ba? More. Yun lang. Yun na yun. Yun na yung kakayahan mo. Jimrat! Nasa na yung iba? Jimrat. Jimrat. Guys, 3K na lang. 3K to go. 3K to go. 3K. Ano mo si my friend? Kerin! Iniwan na tuloy ako ni my friend. Franco. Iniwan ako ni my friend. Jimrat. Wa na. Ano na si Jimrat? Hindi na nakapagsalita si Jimrat. Si Tipay! Ilahat mo na kasi, ba't isa-isa mo? Sweetie Pie, hello. Sweetie Pie. I don't have work today. I'm not feeling well. I'm dying. So because I'm dying, I have to rest, right? Am I doing good? Am I doing my decision well? Charot. No, it's holiday today. Or you're gonna say, why? You're so tired. You're so lazy. You're not gonna go to work. I'm leaving you. I cannot see me anymore. Ah. If you, isa lang. Ilagay mo na lahat. Ano ba yan? Anong gagawin ko dyan? Para maraming choices. Oh. Why you bring your headphone home? You cannot do that. You cannot do that. You still have 1 month to stay in the sea. But why? 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 Ang tagal naman. Ano bang gamit mong wifi? Di ka ba naka-wifi? Grabe naman yan. Saan ka ba ngayon? Grabe naman kayo. Why you do this to me? Grabe, ang tagal talaga, Jimrat, ang tagal.